So this is the Samsung Galaxy Fold 8. Yeah, this is the latest in the foldable lineup from Samsung that many of you are going to be able to order tomorrow. And one of the big things that everybody's worried about when they're getting a new phone is making sure they have a case right in time to keep it protected. I kind of never leave my home with having a protective cover on it. So today we're going to take a look at product from MOBOSI that is going to protect your Fold 8. And by the way, they have a lot of cases that you can consider for all of the Samsung products that are now going to be released and even the iPhones that are coming. So let's get right to it. Now, with your case, you're going to receive several accessories. You're going to find some little dual adhesive strips. You're going to have some cleaning wipes, right? And then you're going to have some instructions with details on how to work through the actual installation process. The case itself is two parts. One is a protective polycarbonate TPU type material with a MagSafe connector in the back, which is really important for me. And then also what you have here is your screen protector that has a a good glass-like finish for you to not have to worry about the front screen being damaged in any way. And you notice that it has a protective film both in the front and in the back. We're going to leave that on for now because I want to use this for my final phone. This is a sample phone of what the actual Fold 8 is going to look like. So this represents what you can expect. And you can see, I have here my Fold 7 right by it. And you'll notice that I'm using a very similar case, a robust case like this to protect my phone. What I'm going to do is just going to snap this in just like this. You can see what it's going to look like when you have it in. Nice protection in the back, right? And you see nice bumper protection right here. So it's giving you some really nice protection here as well. And then you have, again, for the hinge, you have a hinge protection. Now, this guy right here is just going to snap right on top. And like I said, I'm not going to remove the plastic yet, so don't freak out. I want to save it for my phone, and I want to be able to use all these products. But this is going to give you a sense of how everything aligns and how everything looks. So notice here, great camera protection, great fingerprint action. Here you have your I would say your volume rocker. As I was mentioning, great camera protection in the back. Has this really large lip that's going to protect it, especially if you lay your phone like this, which I do a lot of, and you won't have to worry about that getting smudges. And you can see the flash is available there. You also have that MagSafe function right there that's going to give you the ability to connect to MagSafe devices. So like, for example, in my car, we use a MagSafe car mount, right? So that we can put our phone connected to that and do it really easily and not worry about it falling off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this MagSafe connector here so we can see how this works. And you'll notice how it holds it nicely. This is actually a battery. Won't charge it because it's a dummy phone, but it is definitely there. And then as we open up the tablet, you'll notice, or the Fold here, you'll notice how this hinge mechanism works really nicely as well. So this is a great option. I'll include links to it for those of you who are looking. We're going to have other nice things coming. I'm going to skip the Flip this year. We're going to be focusing on the foldables, the larger foldables, the Fold 8, and then the also wide format Fold. I've had the Pixel phone, which is very similar. It has that passport-like look, and I'm kind of dig it. So we're going to have those two, and we're going to show you what our experience is going to be. So once again, looking for a case, make sure you take advantage now. There's a lot of discounts as well, and you'll want to have one just in time for your Fold 8. See you in the next video.